All right, chapter 7 still. Sorry, I ran out of time. You only get 10 minutes of time. So 7.5, response to identity theft. Just read through that. Like, it tells you, like, if you're a victim, what to do. Contact the police or your sheriff's department. It will take time. If you did have some money stolen, it's not going to happen overnight. Um, this just talks about the Identity Theft and Assumption Deterrence Act, what it was about, in case you have questions on the homework assignment. You should notify your credit reporting agencies so they can maybe do a credit freeze or a security freeze, which would allow you to restrict access to your credit report. Just makes it harder for an identity thief to open a new account. So that would be a really um, best bet for you. Contact all your creditors. So again, let's look over this section. You might want to contact others. So this just talks about, here's some other numbers, check systems, like that's more for banking. Um, Here's ways you can get a hold of Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, IRS, Social Security. So this just, there's just an example there. Last section of this chapter, how credit assessment and security fit within your financial plan. These are some key assessment and security decisions that should be included within your financial plan. Number one, is your credit standing adequate so that you can use credit? Number two, is your credit and personal identity information secure? So by making those proper decisions, you can access credit only when your credit standing is adequate. So again, just go through some of these decisions, read through this. And that was that. So if you like to get more in depth, there's a summary. This, when I go through this, I'm just trying to show you things, and highlight things as I talk a little bit. So some of you might find this a waste of your time, and I apologize. But I think sometimes if I say some things, it might help. But this summary just gives you like background on credit. They just go over some of those important points. So you might be able to find a lot of this on your homeworks. These are some just review questions. If you just wanted to go over those, maybe you would see them pop up in those the one assignment and the quiz. So other than that, that's that. Good luck.